that we have across Kenya. We have 23 other facilities set up in Kenyatta Hospital, in the police hospital in Nairobi, in Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret, in Kenyatta Hospital in Thika, in Alupe Hospital in Busia, and in many other areas. And these facilities are meant to make sure that there is proper screening, and if there is any positive identification of people who have Ebola, then immediately they are isolated, they are treated so that we avoid any spread of the disease.
Kapod warango mana weche makamago, wayudo kanyo ni migao mano mar thieth sani to koro dhi nyime gi rido kaachiel kod kedo kod landruok mano mar tuo Ebola e pacho kae ka okalo kuom bago rombe mago mopogore opogore kod jokanyono mago mabende wuok e sekta mano mar thieth mar twak e wi okenge mabende inyalo keti mar mondo mi othir landruok mar tuo Ebola e pacho kae e yo mora amora. Kane otwak okinyi mano
into contact with a person with symptoms of fever or acute onset, vomiting, diarrhea, within the last 21 days. A person who is a handler of dead animals, a healthcare worker, a commercial sex worker, a hunter possibly, animal handlers, forest rangers. It is important to check if you have fevers and you have come across those people. Any suspected case epidemiologically linked to a confirmed Ebola virus disease, again, it is important.
Kamane hotelia koda jalub jate migao mauchungne migao mar thieth mano mabende wuok e piny Uganda kocha migosi Michael Mwanga mano mabende ne otelo e chenro maket koda mano kabende okwa piny Kenya kaachiel kod piny Uganda mar mondo mi oti kanyakla mano mar neno ni onge landruok mano mar tuo mar Ebola.
Today we are here in Busia border to discuss with our Kenyan brothers and sisters to get them. As of now, we've lost one person out of the 11. As of now, we've lost one person out of the 11. The 10 are doing quite well. The 10 are doing quite well, and we shall be discharging them soon from our isolation facilities.
Ya Busia Kenya na Port Health ya Busia Uganda. Na vile tunajua tuko na ugonjwa hii ya Ebola ambayo imetokea katika eneo la Kongo, mahali inaitwa Kivu, na pia tuko na cases la Kongo, mahali inaitwa Kivu, na pia tuko na cases kidogo Uganda. Lao ndio sababu tuko na partners hapa, tuko na WHO, tuko na XI inaitwa East and Central Southern Africa kutoka Arusha, ambao ni partner anashirikisha sisi zile state members ambao tuko kama Kenya, Uganda, tuko Tanzania, Rwanda na zingine zote. So tumekuwa katika mikakati tangu jana ya kuangalia tunaweza kushirikiana namna gani katika hii eneo la Kenya, Uganda na nchi zingine ambazo ziko kwa EXA. So kama Kenya tayari tumetrain madaktari wale wanaitwa frontline, madaktari mbalimbali, MOs, clinicians, lab, public health, nurses, na tuko ready kwa preparedness. Hao madaktari tayari wamehitimu. Tumekuwa na training ya siku 6 last week, na already tunaendelea kuassess isolation yetu ambayo iko Alupe, na already hata tuko saizi na team experts kutoka Nairobi.
Kapod warango mana weche makamago wayudo kanyo ni Jimmy Wanjigi mano mabende otelo ne duond bura mano mar
ugonjwa wa Ebola. Rais William Ruto is sworn allegiance to the people of Kenya. you are being judged. And if one Kenyan dies because you have broken that allegiance, as you have many times, it is on your head and you will face the wrath of God. Tunasema tina kuna hiyo hatutaki. Hata Amerika, hata Trump amekataa mambo ya quarantine huku kwake. Anasema Waamerikana wawezi kufika huku kwake kama wako na hiyo Ebola. Sasa tunawaleta hapa nini? Hiyo ukarimu ndio ulileta ukoloni hapa. Hiyo ukarimu wa Mwafrika. Hiyo tunaipinga kabisa. Ya pili, mambo ya opposition, hata sisi tuko kwa opposition.
The Democracy for the Citizens Party. To the great people of Kenya, we have called this press conference out of necessity, nationhood and patriotism. It is our moral duty and obligation as leaders to guard the interests of the people of Kenya as a nation. We shall address ourselves to two major issues affecting our nation and the people of Kenya directly and their lives. The issue of the establishment of an Ebola quarantine, monitoring or treatment facility within the Republic of Kenya. And number two, the issue of ethnic profiling of the people of the Mount Kenya region by the government of President William Ruto and his associates. Over the last few days, Kenyans have raised concerns about the has categorically stopped its own citizen exposed to the Ebola disease from setting their foot in America. Why are you exposing Kenyans? Why Nanyuki? In terms of natural resources, are you willing to make material public disclosure of the mineral deposits that are seemingly attracting international interests? Are you aware that the US Safe House Foreign Affairs Committee has urged the USA government to take Americans home for treatment and not dump them in foreign countries?
Gavana Manoma County Mabusia Apollo Tuoma Kaachiel kod jalup ne osingo ne oganda mawuok County Mabusia kono ni giseketo kanyo kenge mano makare mano mar neno ni onge.
So that note, I think we are collaborating with all. So that note, I think we are collaborating with all other government agencies and security agencies to make sure kwamba hiyo shida haikui.
La ugonjwa hatari wa Ebola imetokea DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, watu zaidi ya 300 wamekufa huko. Imefika Uganda. Hilo tatizo sisi tunafanya bidii usiku na mchana kujaribu kuzuia isiingie Kenya. Na mimi nawaomba nyote, ndugu na dada, vijana kwa wazee, tafadhali jihadhari. Please be careful. Avoid contact. Osha mikono ndio watu wetu wakae salama.
Jotelo mago mopogore mabende wuok e county no mano ma Wajir kendo siro duond bura mano mar UDA jowuok oko kendo gidok ne piny owacho mano mar jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ka bende giwacho ni ok gisebedo ka gineno akwede moro amora ka otenore kod weche go mago mag dongruoge mago mabende osebed ka ichwalo e gwenge makono kane otelnegi kod moluor Eden Duale mano mabende en jatend migao mochung'ne migao mar thieth e pacho kae. Jotelo go ne owacho ni giseneno ber mathoth to mana ka wuok e telo mano kata e piny owacho mano mar jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
Watu wengine walisema ni nini hatujaona tofauti ya serikali ya hasla. Mimi nataka niwaambie hapa kutoka Eldas, aliita the most consequential Madaraka Day in Kenya ilikuwa huko Wajir jana. Your Excellency, tunakushukuru. Mnavyojua shida yetu sisi kama Wasomali wa Kenya ilikuwa ni shida ya kutambuliwa kama Wakenya. Your Excellency, our agony has always been one of identity and belonging. Umetupatia hiyo identity, umetupatia belonging. You have made us part and parcel of Kenya, and we appreciate it. Tunasema two term.
To weche mamoko en ni jopuonjre mago mabende romo ochiko duto te mago mabende itudo kod ketho mano mar moko mach mano mabende ne owango od nindo mano mar sikunde nyiri ma utumishi ma okaw oko ngima jopuonjre 16 ne ochwale
medo yudo seyo maliche mokalo kaluwore koda kayore go magitiyo go mar puko taka magichoke bombe mopogore kaunti ni kema Migori e kinde nyasi mar madaraka mano bagi gwengo mag Masaba jaod bura Kuria West Migosi Mathias Robi koro to yango ni okubie kata dichiel mondo mi taka mikao kuonde mopogore kaunti ni kema Migori mondo koro to puke gwengo mag Keancha.
Haizi toa takataka kule Migori, atoe takataka huko Nyatike, Suna West, atanakuja kutupa pale Isibani. Ati hiyo ndio maendeleo sasa tunapata kutoka kwa governor kuleta uchafu pale Isibani. Hiyo endo mwambie kama anataka tukosane, aendelee kuleta. Juzi vijana karibu hata wachome matipa za watu zikipeleka takataka hapo. Tipa 3. Nimekataa. Atafuta shamba mahali watu hawaishi. Wezi enda kutupa takataka kwa miji za watu katikati. Boma iko hapo, boma ingine iko hapo, boma ingine iko hapo, shule iko hapo, unaweka takataka katikati ya shule. Utaletea wananchi kipindupindu. Na hiyo shule imekataa. Hiyo mambo tayari imepeleka jenga. Hiyo kiwanda iko na kila kitu, mashini zote. Kwa hivyo nataka nimwambie governor wa Migori amesahau hii kiwanda. Tuko wakati wa budget, awekee hii kiwanda hata kama ni milioni 50 peke yake, alafu ianze operation, kwa sababu hiyo kiwanda imechukua pesa ya Mkenya.
Wachiba bendo mede sere kodaka MC Matagare Ward Migosi Moses Magwe obendo medo yango Nited County osenyiso yomyom mar keto kabina mondo mioti e yono makare gino mabende okuwinjore kata dichiel. Omedo yango Nited County ma Migori otamore keto kabina mondo mioti mondo thoth oganda oyud tije e yono ma ong'ith.